it. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super fun story for you about a girl named Lily and her amazing discovery in the world of slime. Lily absolutely loved making slime. She'd mix glue, water and borax, creating all sorts of colorful, gooey concoctions. One rainy afternoon, while stirring a fresh batch of glittery purple slime, she wondered, what actually makes this so stretchy and fun? It wasn't just magic. She knew there had to be a scientific reason. So Lily put on her imaginary lab coat and started her investigation. She learned that the main ingredient, white glue, is made of long, chain-like molecules called polymers. Think of them like tiny strands of spaghetti floating around in the water. On their own, they just slide past each other, which is why glue is runny. But here's where the magic happens. When she added the borax solution, which is the activator, it acted like a molecular bridge. The borax ions connected all those separate polymer chains together, linking them into a giant tangled network. This process is called cross-linking. Suddenly, it all made sense to Lily. This new network of tangled polymers is what gives slime its unique texture. It's no longer a simple liquid. The connected chains can still slide past each other a little, which makes the slime ooze and stretch. But they can't completely separate, which is why it holds its shape. It's a special kind of fluid called a non-Newtonian fluid. That means it can act like both a liquid and a solid, depending on how you handle it. Lily was so excited. She wasn't just making slime anymore. She was a real scientist, experimenting with polymer chemistry right in her own kitchen. The next time she stretched and squished her glittery creation, she saw more than just a toy. She saw a web of interconnected molecules, a fascinating science experiment in the palm of her hands. So, the next time you're playing with slime, remember Lily and the amazing science of polymers. It's a great reminder that science is all around us, even in the most unexpected and gooey places. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun science stories. See you next time.